See, here's what we're going to do.
You want to put him in that chair?
Now hold on to it. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. It's going to vibrate. Okay, now then, just take and push it in. Oh, there you go.
You're not getting his face.
Look at here. Cut my hair off, see? Look at that.
I see that.
Look at there. Push it down. Look at there.
You get a call with Street Post 287-2264. It's going to be a tan Mazda. Checked on him. He's just waiting on the record. 28 North St. William, 700.
What are you supposed to be doing? You ever get this up here too? You want to do this up here? No! You don't want me to cut that off too? Is that any better? Yeah. You want to start up here? No? Why? You want me to keep my hair long? You do? You like my hair long?
You want No to cut your hair?
Yeah! No. I'm going to leave that to your mom and dad. Well, that went a different direction.
No, we're just cutting on
You
those
cut your
hairs.
hair? Here you go.
What's he cutting your hair?
You want to watch?
Watching.
What you want? I want you to help me. You'll sit in my lap and do it? Okay. Where do you want to start? Okay, you want to start where? Right there? All right, well hit it. Whoa, look at there. Do it again. Oh, look at that. See, isn't that fun? Do it again. Look at all that. Go again. Let's go again. Yeah. Woo! How do I look? Huh? How do I look?
Look at No.
Look. How do I look? Got it in my mouth. Do I look good? No. Hit it again, then. Probably didn't get. You did good. That's right. Okay. Here, let's hit it back here. Push. Oh! See, you thought you didn't want to do this. You're a good barber. Oh, we got something caught that time. Ah, can't get it loose. There we go. Look at that, like shaving a dog. You do it this way. Good hold. Good hold like that. Oh, I'm not that tall. You know. Look out. Ew. That's gross. You shave your sock now. Ready? Go hold. Up on top of me. Can you do it yourself?
Take both hands.
Grab with the other hand. Now shave. Hit my head. Not hit me, but. Ew.
Now go the other way.
Here, hit it right on top.
He's just combing it.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, turn it like this. Okay, now then push it against my head. Like that. Oh. Careful. Oh. I'm playing on that.
What?
Huh? Him stomping in the hair. It's all over his feet. Yuck is right. Whoa! Yeah, told you it's slick. It is slick. Here, let's do this. We'll get in the floor. Oh, that hurts. No, it's my knee, not your knee. Here, come here. Okay, take it. Go up the backside like that.
Got some more.
Push it. Grab hold. Yeah.
Shake your head.
Here, hit the other side. No, this side. Here, the other side. Grab hold. Both hands.
He looks like one of them mountain men.
What do you see? Come on, come on. Here.